Welcome 7th standard. Now we are going to see exercise 10.2 question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ in which XY equal to 4.5 centimeter, YZ is equal to 5 centimeter and ZX is equal to 6 centimeter is given. So in construction, before drawing the actual diagram, draw the rough diagram that should be in this corner, right hand side corner. So you want to draw rough diagram. Rough diagram, you need not to take actual measurement. So take a scale, draw rough diagram, that is rough diagram, but you want to use scale. So they ask us to draw triangle. So we have drawn one triangle. Name is given as X, Y, Z. And in this, write all this value. XY is 4.5 centimeter. So the line segment XY is 4.5 centimeter and YZ is 5 centimeter. So YZ is here. So YZ is 5 centimeter. Last one ZX or XZ is 6 centimeter. So XZ is 6 centimeter. So you know one property of triangle that if we add these to any two sides, then that will be greater than to the third side. That property you want to keep in mind. Now we are going to draw triangle. So let me tell you how you want to draw triangle. So to draw triangle, only for baseline you want to use scale directly. So in this triangle we know all the three sides are given. Take any one as base. You can take anything. You need not to take XY alone as a base always. You can take YZ, you can take XZ, whatever it is. I am going to take XY as a base itself. So always to draw base only you want to use scale. So XY is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 is between 4 and 5. So this small point is 4.5 centimeters. So draw line. Then and there you write the value and you note down the alphabets, everything. So I have drawn this line segment XY as 4.5 centimeter by scale. After that, for all the remaining two sides, always only for baseline you want to use scale, and remaining that you want to measure with this compass and you want to make an arc. Otherwise you will not get the correct diagram. So next one is YZ or ZX, whichever you want you can take. So I am going to take YZ as 5 centimeter. So you know, keep this compass needle at 0. Measure till 5. So from Y, keeping the compass on Y, draw one arc, that is 5 centimeter arc. And from X here we need Z. We don't know where Z comes. That's what we are going to make an arc. So that measurement is 6 centimeter. So again measure 6 centimeter by using scale and compass. So keep on X. Draw an arc that should intersect the previous arc. So this arc and this arc meeting point is Z now. Now join this. If you want you can check. You know you took the correct one. So ZX is 6 centimeter and YZ is 5 centimeter. Like this only you want to draw triangle, children. Next question we are going to see second question. So in the second question they ask us to draw equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle in the sense. So next question, this is an equilateral triangle of sides 5.5 centimeter. we know triangle. So again I am telling, you want to draw rough diagram. By using rough diagram only we are going to draw the actual diagram. So draw rough diagram, use scale, draw triangle. So in this question they didn't give any name. We can name anything, anything like A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever it is. So I am going to take D, E, F. Equilateral triangle, which means all the sides are equal. So to construct equilateral triangle they will give only one value, that is only one side value, which means this denotes, since it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So all the sides, triangle will have three sides, no, so all the three sides will have same measurement, that is every value is 5.5 centimeter. So as I told in the previous question, draw base first. You can use anything as base. I am going to take DE as base. So DE is 5.5 centimeter. So again I am telling, only to draw the baseline you want to use scale. We have named it as D and E. This is 5.5 centimeter. That is the question value which is given in the question. For the next remaining two sides, you should not use scale like this and you want to draw line directly. Instead of that, you want to use compass. With the help of scale, measure the value. That is, here the question is 5.5. So measure 5.5 exactly like this and keep on E, draw an arc. Since it is an equilateral arc, this also 5.5 only, so I am not going to check again. Already we have taken, this is 5.5. So draw one more arc on D that should intersect the previous arc. This point is called F. Now you join this, you will get the equilateral triangle. Join this, you will get, this is 5.5 centimeter, and join this also 5.5 centimeter. So like this only you want to draw an equilateral triangle. So thank you. Meet you in the next video.